Hello everyone. After the huge earthquake in Turkey, I wish to help the people and I'm asking for your kind charitable contribution to help support the victims as well as their families. I would like to offer a free walking tour of the capital city of Nicosia within northern Cyprus until Monday, the 20th of March. In return, I'm kindly asking you to donate to one of the earthquake charities such as afad or afad. Please show your donation receipt of at least €70 before your tour. You may not have any plans to visit North Cyprus during this time. However, I can tailor a virtual walking tour for you instead. I look forward to welcoming you to our beautiful and fascinating city of Nicosia. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate in approaching me. And if you want to increase charitable donation, please share my video. Thank you.